Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make edible marshmallow slime. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 10 large marshmallows, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Make sure you also have a microwave-safe bowl and a spoon ready. If you want to add some color, have a few drops of food coloring on hand. This simple recipe is perfect for a fun, tasty activity. Now, let's get those marshmallows ready. Put your 10 large marshmallows into your microwave-safe bowl. Heat them in the microwave for about 15 to 30 seconds. Watch them closely until they puff up nicely. Once they're puffy, take them out and stir them with your spoon until they become a smooth, melted consistency. This is the base of our delicious slime. Next, it's time to add the dry ingredients. Slowly add the 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar to your melted marshmallows, stirring it in well. Then, incorporate the 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Keep stirring continuously. You'll notice the mixture starting to thicken and become quite sticky. This is exactly what we want for our slime's texture. Finally, for the fun part, lightly dust your hands with a little extra powdered sugar to prevent the slime from sticking. Now, take the mixture out of the bowl and begin to knead it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Keep kneading until it's smooth and stretchy. Your amazing, edible marshmallow slime is now complete and ready for some delicious play.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.